team and management and boss and everyone. We really appreciate the hard work done by Meroz and Mr. Fahad and your team and yourself. The way we see like everything is properly packed with details, with numbered mention. Really appreciate the work. And also the hospitality, food, taking care, hotel arrangement, everything. We thank you a lot.
Last weekend, Congolese customers came to Suzhou Pharma for inspection. Before the arrival of the customer, our team checked all the goods and marked the installation number on each plate. At the same time, the outer package of each pallet is also numbered. Sure enough, our company is famous for details. The customer completed the inspection of 9 containers in one day. The inspection products involve clean room panels, clean room doors, aluminum profiles, purification lights, windows, etc. On the day of inspection, the customer conducted on-site sampling in order to check the thickness of the steel plate. He randomly selected a plate with a tool to pry open, and measured the thickness of the plate on site to be greater than 0.426 millimeters. Our customer expressed satisfaction and signed on the plate, leaving a meaningful record. At the end of the inspection, the customer expressed his gratitude to our team. It was we who made the details so perfect that the customer was able to complete the inspection in a few hours. On this business travel, we have built a deeper relationship of trust with our customers. There are factories to be built in the future, looking forward to continuing cooperation with us.